Mom! Dad! Where are you?
Huh?
Have you seen these two people?
I saw them, but they left.
Do you know where they went?
The forest is dangerous at night. Come rest at my place. I'll help you find them.
They stayed with me. They were always sad.
They're looking for me too.
Don't worry, I'll go ask around for you.
It reminds me of the first sushi my dad taught me to make.
Sigma boy!
Someone saw two penguins get on a boat.
I have to find them now. Thank you so much. Mom! Dad! They didn't hear me. They're just ahead. I'll catch up. Mom! Dad! I finally found you!
Who are you looking for?
I'm sorry. I thought you were someone else. Why isn't it them? No! No! I can't lose that photo. It's the only memory I have of them. I lost it. I'm the worst. Mom, Dad, I miss you so much. Where are you? I'm scared. What if I never find you? Maybe Mom and Dad came back here to find me. Mom! Dad! Are you here? Oh no, a snowstorm! Oh no! Help me! Help me! Is anyone out there? Help me! I don't want it to end like this. I want to see my parents. Please. I'm so tired, so sleepy. Mom! Dad! Is that really you?
Wake up, sweetheart. We're here to save you.
We're here now, son. Please wake up.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
It's our fault. We shouldn't have lost you.
Why are you two with my parents?
Right after you left, they went out to look for you.
And we offered to help them.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's go home.
You think you can beat me? He's too strong. Careful! Watch out! I'm so sleepy.
No, I'm about to win. I can't fall asleep now. Did I just enter the game?
Whoa! I can't believe it!
Roleplay initiated.
Awesome! Now I'm the ocean's hero! Huh? Oh no! The sea is full of trash! I have to clean this mess up carefully!
Everyone ran away. What should I do? How dare you scare the forest folks?
I didn't mean to. I came here to help take care of the forest.
Perfect. This is my chance to shine. They're so clueless.
Where's my wallet?
Where's my watch?
Where's my money?
It's him!
Where did he go?
When the forest is happy, everyone's happy too.
From now on, this will be my base. How dare you harm our forest?
More annoying pests!
Quick! Get everyone out of here! You think you can defeat me?
What's going on here?
Please, we need your help.
A bad guy has entered our forest.
Are you okay? Another annoying pest. Forest destroyers must be punished.
Then come and get me. I won't lose that easily. No one can defeat me!
Got you, you sneaky thief!
You forest wrecker! You'll pay for this!
I'm sorry. I know I was wrong.
No!
No!
We're sorry! I dreamed I turned into an evil robot!
Same here!
It's all because we played too many games.
And it gave us crazy hallucinations.
We should go to bed early from now on.
Lesson time! Kids, we shouldn't play games for too long.
Set a healthy time limit for gaming. And don't forget to sleep on time, so your body can rest properly.
Move your body every day to stay strong and keep your mind fresh.
Don't forget, friends!